Okay, how does it feel first that people are saying and tagging you about na pinagdasal ka nila, inintay ka ng mga karamihan, especially mga LGBT communities out there?
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate the prayers because I also prayed for this and your support means a lot to me. Yun talaga.
After the bench, you was so quiet and silent about you joining here. Marami ng tanong sa iyo about this. What made you finally decide that I will join this here?
Well, actually, after a lot of thinking, it came to my mind that I think it's about time that I should join MIQ because I'm not getting younger anymore. And also, I think okay naman ako sa pageant journey ko and I wanna represent Philippines so bad because it's actually my dream representing the Philippines and with a Philippine sash on my chest and to shout Philippines in the international arena. So yun talaga yung pangarap ko mamatin and I think Miss International Queen Philippines is my ticket for that.
Ayun nga yung sabi ng karamihan. People loves you. The Filipino people loves Kurt Popiolig. We are all waiting for you here. Talagang pagdating mo, talagang nagulat kami. Nagtakbuhan ng lahat. There are a lot of people loves you, but there are also people who are bashing you. Because you don't have to prove anything. Sabi nila, give chance to others. And also, don't have to prove anything. You are a celebrity, endorser. You have a clinic. You are Kirk Popiolig already. So, what can you say about that?
Well, you cannot please everyone. Like what I said, some people may like you and some people may not. So the best thing to do is ignore and focus with the goal. That's the most important thing. If you just let those people ruin you with their words, with their discrimination, it will get into you. So I always think that they are not important. Bashers I should not be able to destroy everything that I have planned and just focus on those people who supports me. Yun lang.
Kanina sa bawat labas mo, they are always saying, it's now Mindanao. Ibigay ang corona para sa Mindanao. People are, parang napakadami ng tao waiting for from Mindanao na manalo and parang ikaw lang yung iniintay nila should uplift and maibigay mo sa kanila ang corona. Ang mga Mindanao people are all talking about you at masaya sila at kanina pa sila nagbubunyi dito at sa malaking suporta nila sa iyo.
Well, being here representing Mindanao, if given a chance to be crowned as a Miss International Queen Philippines, this is actually a history because I will be the first ever Mindanaoan to win the crown. And that alone, it's actually very, I can feel the pressure, but I handle it with grace. Ganun lang, grace under pressure. But of course, I dedicate this battle to my fellow Mindanaoans who keeps on supporting me, who keeps on shouting my name, and really gives their best to support me. Ganun lang.
Sana all of Kurt Popiolig. Marami sa ating lahat dyan sana all. Ako na lang si Kurt Popiolig. Now, the biggest question is that maingay ang ipangalang Kurt Popiolig. But if there is one person that you would like to be hold hand in hand and to be the last woman standing, who is it and why?
Well, I haven't met all of the ladies kasi this was our first time meeting each other. But actually, ang dami. I have lots of names in my mind.
Based on the press con itself pala, who do you think you would like to have the one hand in hand? The last woman standing, Kirk and?
I think I'll go with Jack because Jack is a very close friend of mine. But actually also Mikay din kasi we are both alumni of Queen Philippines and I want to see both of us win this crown, not just for the Queen Philippines organization, not just for Mother Carrie Santiago, but for our fans. Kasi we are called as the Twin Towers and I want to give them that fantasy. So Mikay or maybe Jack, ganon.
Yeah. Thank you so much for that game lahat, chikahan. Thank you so much and congrats.
Thank you so much. Actually, nakakataba ng puso because I can still remember the first time I went here in Manila. Ikaw yung unang nag-interview sa akin. And I also wore teal green that time with ribbon on my head. So, parang seeing you again wearing the same color, I think it reminds me of something and siguro it means something din.
Yeah, we're hoping for you. Magkita naman tayo sa Thailand. We're hoping and manifesting for that, di ba? Kung ano yung pinagdasal, yun ang makukuha. Of course, congratulations first. You are now a candidate here at Miss International Queen Philippines. And good luck to your journey. Many are waiting for you. Ginimbal mo kaming lahat. And thank you for that, for putting colors in our pageant. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mother. And thank you so much.